Happy morning, my little scientists. How are you all? I know you all are happy, healthy, fit, and good, and enjoying your summer camp back at home. This is Kuldeep Kaur, your science teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasuva. Dear students, you all are enjoying very much, especially what? Your science fun experiments. Dear students, today also you might be thinking, what our teacher is going to tell us or which experiment we are going to do today. So there is something special for you today, dear students. So I'll tell you what we are going to do today. So dear students, before we start today's experiments, let me tell you a story. Once there was a teacher and she told her students that, dear students, you all have to make some toys by using stuff that is easily available at your home. Children went back to their home. Now, one child, he was living in the village. So, what he did, he took some clay soil, and with that clay soil, he made some toys, beautiful toys for himself, and he was very happy. And on the other hand, one child was living in a town, and the child was thinking, no, what can I do? How can I make the toys? So he saw a colored clay dough in his house, and he made some toys with that clay. He was also very happy, and on the next day everybody went to the class, and when they reached the class they were very excited to show their toys to everyone. But in the corner of the class, one child was sitting and he was enjoying and playing. He was not looking at any other child in the class. So everybody started thinking. Everybody thought that what happened? Why this child is not looking at us? So let us find out what is the reason behind this. So all the students went to him, and when they all went to him and saw him, he was playing with something that was very interesting, and they all were surprised and asked him that what is this and how you have made this at home. Then the child said, okay, I will definitely tell you. So dear students, I hope now you all are also very excited like these students. You also want to know that how the child has made that thing which he was enjoying a lot. So dear students, nothing was there. The child was playing with the slime. And dear students, it's very easy to make slime at home by using some simple materials that are easily available at home. So are you ready to make some slimes with me today? Yes or no? Yes, I can see that you all are very excited. Yes. So dear students, let's have some fun and make our own slime. Hello my little scientists. I know you all are enjoying your summer camp very much. Yes or no? Especially your science fun activities. Dear students, today is the last day of your summer camp, and you had already lots and lots of fun with some science experiments. Yes or no? Yes. So you had lot of fun with lemon activity. Then you have lot of fun with balloon and with what? Water. So dear students, today also we are going to have lot of fun with Any guesses? Yes? Slime. Very good. So dear students, today we are going to make different types of slimes with some simple home stuff. So let's start. Dear students, to make this slime, you need simple home stuff. That is Colgate. You need Colgate. You need an empty bowl. You need some salt. An empty bowl again. You need baking soda. Okay. Now to stir, you need some spoons. Okay. So dear students, first of all, you need to take this Colgate. You can take any colored Colgate and any Colgate. So I took this one, white colored Colgate. Now put some Colgate in the bowl. Put some Colgate in the bowl. So you can put full Colgate set. I am going to put whole. How much slime you want to make? Accordingly, you just take the Colgate. Now see. After this, take this spoon and mix it well. Mix it very good. Slowly mix it. Mix it well better. Like this. Slowly mix it well. Dear students, you can add some color. Color is optional. If you don't want to put, it's your choice. So I'm going to put some color in it. See, I have put this. Which color is this? This is orange color. This much. Now mix it well. See, the color of the Colgate changes. Mix very nicely. Stir it properly, beta. Slowly stir it. Don't be in hurry because nobody is running after you. After all, you are making your own slime at home. Yeah. And dear students, you are definitely going to enjoy while playing with these slime. So mix it well. Yes. Very nice. So mix it very good. See, the color is little less. I want to put more color. So you can add some more color in it because I want bright color. So this is only peach color. It's look like peach color. So let's see the color. So you can put color accordingly. If you want, which color slime you want, you can put. Wow, see the color looks so good na beta. Very nice. So you can mix it well. Now again it's become little light. So beta you can put as much color as you can. So mix it well. I'm going to add some more color in it. Yes, mix it. See, now it looks like, see, it looks nice, na? See the color, it looks so nice. I like this color. Do you? Yes or no? Yes, very good color is there. Wow, mix it well. See? So dear students, see, the color changes and it mixes well. Now what you need to do, you just take a baking powder. Now put some baking powder in a small ball and add some salt in it like this. Now mix it well. Now mix the baking soda and the salt together. Now your mixture is ready. Now dear students, again mix your slime well and put some vinegar and salt solution. Now put some this mixture that I have made for salt and baking soda. You can put it inside the Colgate and mix it well. Dear student, mix it well. Yes. After mixing it well, put some more salt and this mixture again, baking soda and salt. Put some more and again you mix it well. Yes. Yes, student, it's going to be little sticky. You can see here. You need to mix it nicely. Mix it very good. You need to mix it till it is going to be sticky. See, it's going to be sticky. You can see it is sticky now. So mix this. Mix it well. Students, you have to mix this nicely every time. Mix it well. Yes, like this. Now again put this mixture, baking soda and salt in it. Very good. And again mix well. How many times we have put this mixture, salt and baking soda? Do you remember, dear students? 3 times. Very good. Now mix it well. Mix well, very good. You need to mix and mix and mix. Mix, 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 mix. Very nice. Like your mama is making, you know what she is making? She is making whey out of curd. Mixing, mixing, churning, 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 and then she make a whey. Similarly, you have to mix, 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 mix and mix. Then only you will be able to make your slime. Very good. See? See? Mix it well. Very good. Very nice. Mix well. Yes. I think it's becoming sticky. Can we put some more mixture in it? Okay. You can put some more. And again mix. You need to mix it till it is becoming, it's going to be sticky. See, it's going to be sticky. Can you see this? See. So mix, mix, mix. Again mix. Very good. Mix it properly. So dear students, after mixing it well, you will get this kind of mixture. See, it becomes very sticky. Now what you need to do, you need to put this mixture in the ball. You can take a small plastic ball and put this all mixture in this ball. Nicely take out all the mixture. and close the lid and keep this slime into the fridge for 2 hours. Dear students, after 2 hours, see what happened? Yes? Yes, see your slime is ready. It's very sticky, yes or no? Yes. See the color also is too good. See this slime? Yes, yes, yes. See, you know, when the two particles combine, they join and they shrink. Yes, see, this is too good, no? Yes, you can play with this, you can make anything with this. See? Your slime is ready. So this you have made with very simple ingredients that are easily available at your home. So what you used in this? Colgate and some salt and baking powder. See? But dear students, it takes some time to bind up. So you need to keep it this minimum for 2 hours in the refrigerator. I hope you all enjoyed this slime today. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, make your own slime, make a small video clip, click some pictures and send it to me. Dear students, I hope you all are enjoying today's fun science experiments. Yes or no? Yes. So today you are making some slimes and that also with some simple home materials that are easily available at your home. Dear students, let's make one more slime with simple home stuff. So for this slime, what you all need is, you need shampoo. Dear students, I have taken this Clinic Plus shampoo. You can take any shampoo of your choice. Okay. An empty bowl. Then you need some color. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add it. Otherwise, it's your choice. You need some salt. Of course, a spoon to mix it well. So dear students, let's start. So first of all, what you need to do is, you need to cut these shampoo sachets and you need to put the shampoo in the bowl. Cut it and put the shampoo in the, see, your shampoo should be thick. I'm going to add one more packet of shampoo in it. I'm going to put some more shampoos. Yes. Let's put one more. You can put 6 or 7 or 4 5 pouches in the ball. Let's put 1 or 2 more. Let's put last one. So I have put how many? 6. Now Dear students, after putting this shampoos in a ball, you can see here, you can mix it well. If you think that this shampoo is little less, you can put some more shampoo in it. I think it's enough. Or can we put 1 or 2 more shampoos? No beta, I hope it's good. Now you have to mix it well. And dear students, if you want to put color, you can add color also. It's optional, so I'm going to add one color in it. So I'm adding a red color. See which color it's going to change now. See, the color changes. Wow, it looks so good. So you can mix any color of your choice like this. So you have to mix it well, beta, like this. Very good. Mix it. Mix, very good. Mix fast. After mixing it well, keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. So dear students, see, after 10 or 15 minutes, your slime is ready. See, this slime we have made with, yes, what? Shampoo. Very nice. See, this shampoo, and what you put inside it? Some salt. Very good. So with very 2 simple ingredients, you have made this slime. See? Wow, it's also very sticky. You can make anything. You can make a ball also with this. See, dear students, you can make a ball. You can make any shape and you can play with this slime. See? This I have made. See how stretch it is. Wow. See, dear students, so it is also a very simple slime that you can make with your simple home stuff. What we use only the shampoo and the salt. So dear students, I hope you all liked it very much. Now you can make one more slime back at home. So dear students, you can make your own slime and make a small video clip while doing your experiment, or click some beautiful pictures and send it to me. Dear students, not to forget to tell your name, class and your school. Hello my lovely kids. I know you all are having lots and lots of fun with today's science experiments. So what are you making today? Slime, and that also with some simple home materials. So what have you made today? First slime that you have made was made up of what? Yes, Colgate. And another one you have made with shampoo. Now let's make one more slime. Last but not the least. Let's make one more slime with some simple home materials. For that, the materials you required are clear glue, air freshener, color. Again, color is optional, beta. If you want to add color, it's your choice. Spoon to mix. I have some sparkles also. If you want to make sparkly slime, you can use some sparkles also in between. So let's start. So first of all, what you all need to do is, you need to put some clear glue in the ball. See the clear glue? Very good. Now, in this clear glue, add some color. So I'm using yellow color in it. Now, with the spatula, mix it well. sorry, you can use spoon or spatula. So I'm using spoon. Okay, so you need to mix it well. See this yellow color, it looks nice or not? Yes, it looks so good. So if you want to put more color, you can put more. So I'm going to put one more drop of color in it. Yes, so mix it well. See, this is clear blue. Now what you need to do is, you need to mix it well first. Mix it well, yes, dear students. Now put some air freshener, add air freshener in it. Now see what happens while we add this air freshener in it. Mix it well, very good. Yes. If you want to add sparkles, you can add some sparkles in it. So I am using blue color sparkles here. So you can add some sparkles. See, I am using blue color sparkles in it. And mix it well. Again, you can put some air freshener in it. Yes, and mix it. Yes, mix it well, very good. Mix well, yes, very nice. See, it's going to be sticky. See, it's binding up. Wow, slime is going to ready. Wow, see, the color looks so beautiful. Yes, yes, students, keep on mixing well. Now let me check. Yes, so dear student, see, your slime is ready. So you can see this slime. Wow, it's so good, no? How it jumps, very nice. So this is your slime that we have made with clear glue and air fresheners. So dear students, use Vicks air freshener, that is more good. Otherwise you can use any air freshener of good quality. Okay, see this beta, see this, your slime is also ready. I hope you all enjoyed this experiment. Yes or no? It's so simple and it's instant also. So dear students, do this experiment, make a small video clip and click some good pictures. Don't forget to take your name, class and the name of your school while sending the videos to me. Yes, my little scientists, I hope you all enjoyed and have lots and lots of fun with slime today. Yes or no? Yes. And I hope you all are going to make slime of your choice. Yes. Very good. How many of you are going to make the slime? Can I see? Wow, that's great. You all want to make slime at home. Wonderful, dear students. You all are wonderful children. So, dear students, whenever you make your own slime by using simple material that are easily available at your home, make a small video or you can click some pictures and send it to me. At the end, dear students, I would like to say that enjoy your day, enjoy your experiments, stay healthy, stay home, stay fit, good and fine. Keep smiling. See you later. Bye-bye.